Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but let's just jump on in.
So what we're going to start off with doing is we're going to make sure our water is nice and salted. This will give the pasta itself good flavor. So you got to remember to always season each layer in case one layer is lacking taste. The other one can make up for it. We like our water to be saltier than the sea. Next, we're going to start browning our Italian sausage. I'm not adding any oil to this just because it's going to release a lot of, fats, and it's already a non-stick skillet. So this is what I meant by the Italian sausage releasing its own fats. This is why we didn't need any oil. And I'm just going to let this cook a little longer, and once it's done, I'm just going to transfer it to a different container, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do next. I'm going to add half spoon of that. And you can see instantly that's already changing color. So I'm going to add in the spinach. So here I'm going to season the spinach with just a little bit of pepper and garlic salt. Okay, so the spinach is finally done cooking. I'm going to go ahead and put this jumbo shell into the water, and I'm going to move you guys over to see what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to start with the filling. So the shells are going to be filled with the ricotta and spinach concoction, and we're going to sprinkle the Italian sausage over it. So what we're going to need is about 4 cups of this. So to this I'm going to add the spinach and garlic. Just going to fold it in. To this I'm going to add some Parmesan. Could use some mozzarella. Today I'm using Monterey. I'm just going to mix that together. Don't forget to add your eggs into this. We're going to give that a mix.
I really hope you guys do enjoy this recipe. If you guys, for whatever reason, try it out, let me know in the comments below. Till next time, guys. Bye.